Today we're going to learn how to get data using XLOOKUP in different ways. So we are going to get the name of the product, the price of the product, and the total revenue. So let's continue with the example. The first thing you need to do is use XLOOKUP. Lookup and call the product, get the product name, and the first arrive and the outcome that you want. In this case is the name of the product, and close parentheses, and there is something that is not working here. XLOOKUP. The name of the formula is wrong. XLOOKUP. Okay, now you get it. Now you copy the formula and you can use it here. Now you can copy the formula and correct some little details. In this one is B, and instead of B you're going to use C to get the price. Okay, it's not C. Let's check XD to get the price. The column that you need it's D, so you can correct it, and let's use F4. Okay, now it's right. And now let's going to use fill to get the information. So now you can use the same formula. Correct the first column. If you remember, it's not C, it's B. But at the end of the formula, you need to multiply for the quantity. Now you can click here and press Ctrl Shift 0 or Alt Shift 0 to okay, it's not working. Let's use equal sum to get the total revenue. Now you have it, and it's pretty easy to use.